Toyota just launched the new Yaris hatchback here in Malaysia. So let's go and view the opening, the launch, and then a few words by Ravindran K, the president of UMW Toyota Motor and all-round good guy. Let him say a few words about the car, and then we'll come back and tell you a bit more about the car.
Toyota Yaris. All right, thank you very much, Mr. Akio Takayama. Thank you very much, Mr. Ravindran K.
They're actually very excited with this type of model because they want a sportier, elegant, dynamic, easier to park. So we decided this is the right time to bring this model. We want to change and we want to suit the younger generation. I also like to say this Yaris, which I mentioned earlier, was a CBU. But this is going to be the CKD. A few months ago, I was here. We launched the Vios. That was the first model that we built in the new plant. This is the second model, the hatchback. Will be built in the same factory. There the man standing here, the factory man. I would like to introduce Fuji Kami-san. Can you say hi to them? Looking at this model itself, the local content is higher. It's exactly like yours. We achieve more than 70%. So this is a thing that we want to give back to Malaysian government and also to the people here. This is something that Toyota want to give to all of us. You have to drive this car and feel this car. And I'm not going to explain more about it because you have to try it. But I want to talk a bit about the features of this car. I mentioned again in yours the 360T package, the safety, connectivity and guarantee. There are a lot of safety features in this car, and we also guarantee you, we give you the 5 years warranty. So this is something that we give for all the cars now, and this will be applied for this. But Yaris also, it leads in the class, especially in the safety and convenience. This is where we are way above many other makes. But I'd like to say something. What is the tagline? In yours, as never before, for Yaris, life needs a why. Why? We always use this word why. The brand ambassador of Yaris, no other than Jana Nick. Most of you all know, she had participated in Toyota 1000. Excellent driver, she won. I think she has beat all the guys, okay? The way she drives, she's very talented. For 2 years, she's been with us, and she's our ambassador for this Yaris because she's young, youth, and beautiful. Before I end, I want all of you to test drive the car. It's in our showroom. Enjoy it. Let's work together and make sure this is a successful thing. And enjoy. Thank you to all of you. Have a wonderful day.
Put it simply, the Yaris is something fresh in the market at around 70,888 ringgit to 83,888 ringgit. So it offers great value for money. Great value for money in terms of an affordable hatchback, which actually looks quite good. There are quite a few in the market now, so this lets us as consumers have an even better choice than ever. So this car is powered by a 1.5 liter engine which makes 107 PS and 140 Newton meters of torque. It's front wheel drive. The power is transmitted to the front wheels via a 7-speed CVT gearbox. Essentially, this is a Toyota Vios with its boot cut off. Interior trimmings feel the same. They're built to the same standard, and actually that's all you can say about it. But in terms of features and all, it's going to be very well spec'd. In all of the cars get 7 airbags. We also have VSC, traction control, hill start assist, blind spot monitors for the top spec G model, and there's also a digital video recorder, and also rear disc brakes for the top spec model. You're paying a lot more for the 83,000 ringgit plus. So it's a good car on that point of view. Now my thoughts on this are quite general. We also have the 360 camera, good for parking and all, and aside from that, I have to say that I kind of like this car. It brings, as I said, it brings something fresh to the Malaysian affordable car market, the B segment market, and it should do well, because if it drives like its sibling, the Toyota Vios, it's going to be a decent, competent car for you to drive every day, and you can't go wrong with that. Essentially, again, as I said, it's a Toyota Vios sold with a boot. In fact, if you were to go up to Thailand, this is actually called the Yaris Atif. So it is basically a Yaris sold with a boot for the Toyota Vios that we get here. So now we are getting a Vios without a boot, and that's going to be quite interesting to look at. A bit more sexy, a bit more sporty, a bit more young, which explains the making of Jananik as the brand ambassador for the Toyota Yaris. They can't take a person like me because look at me, I'm definitely not as glamorous to look at as Jananik. So the driving impressions of the Toyota Yaris will come in later, as I have been invited to a drive by Toyota, UMW Toyota Motor, sometime in the near future. We'll post up a video of it and let you know about the driving experience. In the meantime, you can have a look at our other videos, especially the Toyota Vios drive. Do have a look at it. It'll be posted somewhere here or here. So okay, till later. Do subscribe for more updates.